difference between chi and Onye-Uwa. Chi is a four-dimensional being, a particle of the bigger chi, which is Chukwu Okike. Chi comes from Chukwu. The chi that everyone has is chi nta. Everything in existence has a chi, including animals, including plants. Now, when you sum of all the chi, all the living things chi, it becomes, and join it to be one, it becomes Chukwu. So, Chukwu is guiding you through your chi. Onya ka ndị Igbo tụrụ inu wee sị, onye ya na chi edo na mma, ya na Chukwu dị na mma. Because it's a particle of Chukwu in you. It's a four-dimensional being, an energy given to you by nature force before you journey here on earth to guide you, protect you, teach you all you need to know about your assignment here on earth. Now that chi is what guides you. It is that chi that sends you message through dreams. It is that chi that speaks to you through your thoughts. It is that chi that is the pulse in your heart that beats in you. Your chi is not in the sky, your chi is within you. Your chi is like a shadow. Anywhere you go, it follows you. Anywhere you are around, your chi is there. So it's your guardian spirit, your personal God. It's not a human that has lived before. It's a name our ancestors always bear. Now, when it comes to Onye-Uwa, Onye-Uwa bụ nwa bịara ụwa, a reincarnator. My past life, I was my mother's grandfather. And I have an unfulfilled mission. I came back as my mother's first son to continue my assignment. All I did was to go and put on a new clothes. I'm a soul already. And the clothes I'm wearing, which is this body is just like a clothes, get old and aged. I went and wore another clothes and came back. It is that same me, but in a different body, a different appearance. Same character, same way of reasoning. So you calling Onye-Uwa your God sounds stupid. Because if I want to feed my Onye-Uwa, all I need is to go and prepare food and eat. I fed my Onye-Uwa. Onye-Uwa is me that came back. Is that okay? So stop energizing your Onye-Uwa and energize your chi. Your chi is your personal God. Let us stop demonizing our spiritual practice.